Hi guys, welcome back to Plan with Fran. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I've received my custom Spek Junior and I have not even opened it. I wanted to enjoy this with you guys. So here we go. Get all this stuff out. I am so excited, you guys. Don't get me wrong. I love this little girl. But I am so excited. Well, let me see. I don't want to hurt it. Okay. It's giving me all these instructions, but I'm not doing any of them. This box is like got all sorts of stuff you can do. Open the flap, do this, do that. I'm like, I know how to open packages, folks. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to pull this out and then, all right. I've never bought a new one. This is my first one. And I bought it because I won $500 on scratch-offs. So my husband said, get that planner you want. And I did. Back in May. No. It was before that. Maybe. It's been about 2 months. So hi, I'm your new VDS planner. Little card. And it looks like we have a little leather. I like this because I only know what her Janet leather's like. Oh, I also do know the Stardust. I do have that. That's not Stardust, but I only know this, the Janet leather. That's all I know. And that Stardust croc leather. I don't even know where that's at. Oh, it's way up on my shelf. This is a complimentary sample to introduce you to new book, Ivory. Oh my. Ooh-wee. She's soft. She is very soft. I would never get Ivory, but ooh, she's soft. Can you imagine how dirty that would get? All right, guys. Here she is. Oh, she's in a beautiful bag. Well, I'm a little nervous. Even though I've not ever watched a Spek unboxing where the person was disappointed. So I'm hoping I'm not the first, because you know I'm going to say if I am. I'm not disappointed. Oh, she's beautiful. So I will go over, once I get her open, I can tell already that I was listened to. So I'm going to pull this out. So, I will go over what I wanted. So, I went with Janet Brown. I went with the A4 clasp. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. I also extended the clasp because I'm a chunky planner girl. And I do like that one thing I knew it didn't have it because I bought this used, but I really didn't like this little clasp, and it is tight. And I actually wanted to put more in here, but I didn't because it would never, I push it down now to get it to snap. So I did do a longer clasp. I extended the clasp. I did not do the big back pocket. I have nothing in the big back pocket. And I didn't mind it so much in this one, but because I bought this, like I said, secondhand, I wanted to see if I would actually stick with it. But I knew I did not want a big back pocket. I asked for the inside, which the inside is undyed. Is that what undyed looks like? I'm not sure. But anyway, I don't know what Undyed's supposed to look like. I thought it would look more like this, but I'm thinking this was a different color. So that I thought was going to be, I could probably patina it, but that looks almost creamy to me. I'm not sure, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. This might be what her Undyed looks like. I don't know. You guys can tell me. I have no idea what her Undyed looks like. I did go with the gold rings, the 30 or 25. I'm not sure how big. I'd have to look at my receipt, which actually, do I have? I think I might have that right here in this one. Let me see if I have it here. I think I do. Okay. So, here we go. I'm going to read it. Oh, did I show it? No. Janet Brown leather. Undyed. So that is undyed. It looks really, now it looks creamier to me, but it looked really bright when I first opened it. Well, I guess if you put it against white. So if this is undyed, I'm assuming it will patina. I don't know, but we'll see. The stitching is Janet Brown. Outside stitching, Janet Leather Brown. Inside stitching is Undyed. I did dark brown lining. Oh, I was like, where's that? There's the dark brown lining. I did 25 millimeter gold rings. Popper is in gold. Stiffener, no. A4 chunky clasp, yes. A4 chunky clasp. And longer clasp, I did 25 millimeters. So it is about an inch, which is probably exactly what I needed. Let me see, let's line it up. Yeah, that's probably right about what I needed. Because what I wanted was to put, if I want to put a little pouch in the back, if I want to have my password book, things just would not close. So that will be able to be a chunky girl. I also requested, I just cannot find the snap, so that will be a chunky girl. I love that. I did also get the full front slip pocket, because I do like that little bit of deco. Sorry, I kicked my table. I do like that little bit of deco. If you look at my Instagram, this was extremely dull when I got it. Very dull. It had not been used in a long time, according to the seller. I used my Phoebing leather shine. You wipe it on, wipe it off, let it dry. And it changed this dramatically. I did request smooth. She asked me for a photo of an example, and I did send her. Wow, you guys, I'm definitely struggling because this is empty, so it's harder for me to find. And it is, I sent her this photo, and I said I don't mind a little bit of texture like this, but smoother the better. And she did listen to me. So it is smooth. I love it. It's very soft. I didn't realize it was going to be that soft. It's very soft. And I love that. I just am not sure if this is undyed. I'm okay with it. But it says here, let me see. See, I thought, well, I knew it wasn't going to be this light. That would look weird with the Janet Brown. But it was the, let's see. JL Ultimate, Janet Leather Ultimate Undyed. It was the leather of the month of April. Oh, that must be when I ordered this. When is there a date on this order form? Oh, yeah. I ordered this in the middle of April. Okay, so it took longer than I thought. I mean, her average time, but... All right, so this is the Ultimate Undyed. I wonder if this will patina it all outside. I don't know. It looks creamier than it might look to you guys. Oh, here, you know what? Let's lay this. See, It is a little creamier. I don't know. I originally when I thought if I ever get a custom, I am getting Janet Leather Brown all the way through and through. But when I bought this olive one, I actually did not mind that there was a different tone, a different color on the inside. And I thought, I think I'm going to get a different color. So I went with the Undyed. Now, I don't know. I'm trying to see if I can't. Oh, I'm trying to see if I can see what this Undyed was like. Oh, that was pretty light. If you look right here, I don't think it was this light, but I don't know. I might have to look and see how light. Oh, I gotta be careful flipping back there. I don't know. There's no way that lightened that much. This says Undyed though, so I'm thinking Undyed will patina. I don't know. If you know, tell me. But I love her regardless. But I'm not sure if she will, if she will darken up or not. But I do love her. I think it's beautiful. It's perfect. I don't know when I'm going to switch out just yet. I do need to get some things organized in this one. As far as I don't have a pocket insert to put things in because I just thought I'd make one because where I would normally get that doesn't make the size. So I don't know. I might do a crochet one, throw in there. I'm not sure. So, but it will definitely work for this one. Definitely work. So if you know about this April Ultimate Undyed, the April color of the month, let me know. Let me know if this is right. I might look it up after I'm done filming this and I'll see. I'm not sure. But I do love her. She is beautiful. And oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even describe the squish and the softness. And I mean, it is just so squishy. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.